In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Edge color through a simple and effective tutorial. Let's dive right in and customize the look of your browser to better suit your personal style and preferences. We'll begin by opening up your Microsoft Edge browser. You can easily do this by clicking on the Edge icon located on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There you'll notice three small dots aligned vertically. This is the menu for more actions. Give it a click to open up a drop-down list of options tailored for your Edge browser. From the drop-down list, navigate and select Settings. This will redirect your current window to a dedicated settings page where you can manage and personalize various aspects of your browsing experience. On this page, look towards the left-hand menu. You'll find several categories here, and you're going to want to click on Appearance. This section is specifically for customizing the visual elements of your browser. Within the appearance settings, you'll see an overall appearance section. Here you have the power to choose from three main theme styles. You can opt for light mode, which gives your browser a bright, clean look. Or if you prefer a more minimalist, eye-comforting theme, go for the dark mode. And for those who enjoy consistency across their devices, choose System Default. This option integrates your Edge theme with your Windows theme settings. Next, beneath the overall appearance settings, you'll find an additional section labeled Theme. This is where you can add a splash of color to your browser. Available options include a variety of color accents such as blue, red, green, and pink, among others. Each color provides a different vibe, allowing you to express your uniqueness right through your browsing tool. To apply a new theme, simply click on the color accent that catches your eye. The changes are applied instantly, giving you immediate feedback on how the new color accent invigorates your user interface. It's worth mentioning that these theme choices primarily affect the tab bar, the address bar, and the highlighted menus within the browser interface. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the color theme of your Microsoft Edge browser to align with your taste and enhance your browsing experience. Customizing your web browser allows you to not only make it more aesthetically pleasing, but also more functional and enjoyable to use. Keep exploring various settings within Edge to discover even more ways to tailor its performance and look. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more insightful tech tips and guides.